Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 3rd, and this is my PM recap for gold. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on gold, I mean, we did go down a little bit today, but I still definitely see this as an uptrend, at least for now. I don't see a break of such a down, and I definitely don't see a lower high. It's definitely still an uptrend, series of higher highs, higher lows. I think there's a good chance we are still going to go up and take out the previous highs, maybe even take out the all-time highs back here. So definitely looking for longs in an uptrend if you take it down to the 1 hour time frame. I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. I would think it would more likely do something like this. Probably try to trap the buyers and the sellers, make more of a three-wave ABC pullback, maybe down to the 50 or the 61% before it continues the uptrend. Either way, though, I am definitely primarily looking for longs on these shorter time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.